Students, now let us talk about different type of truck attachments which would be used in a warehouse for lifting or raising different SKUs or cartons or pallets. Normally they would be used for lifting different bins and cartons. So for larger items, it may be possible to handle the goods by means of attachments fitted to the forklift trucks. So there are different types of attachments. So let us look at some important ones. The first one would be the clamp. Various types of clamp attachments are available for such purposes, such as picking up bales, drums, and home appliances. The clamps are operated hydraulically and can be set for different pressures so as to prevent damage to goods. So hydraulic machines hain ye, and the clamps, they actually work on hydraulic pressure, and they can be set to different pressures so that product would not be damaged. For goods that could be easily damaged, the clamps may be of rubber coated. तो rubber coated clamps भी available हैं जो कि forklift trucks के साथ लगाए जाते हैं और उनसे lift किया जाता है उन goods को जिनके damage होने के chances हैं. Then we have rotating heads. These can be used to move goods from a vertical to the horizontal position. So from vertical to horizontal positions, if the good is to be moved, then rotating heads are used. For example, in the case of drums or reels that may be required to be placed in either orientation, that are either vertically or horizontally, similar clamps are used in food processing and other industries for rotating buckets and thus dumping loads. So rotating clamps or rotating heads of the clamps are used for different type of food processing items and also for rotating the buckets of food or different perishable products. Then there is load, push, pull. Unit loads may be placed on the car or plastic slip sheets so that the lips of these sheets can be gripped by the push-pull attachment and the load thus dragged back into the platens in wide forks of the lift truck. The gripping mechanism is on the scissor back plate, thus that we can move along the platen. So load push-pull mechanism क्या है कि जो unit loads हैं in the form of cartons or bins may be placed on the card or a plastic slip sheets. एक sheet पर place कर दिए जाते हैं और उनको grip किया जाता है with the help of some platens. And lift truck will actually वो जो gripped हैं cartons और bins उनको move करवाता है ऊपर की तरफ. Then there are multi-forks. These are frequently used when unit loads are made from the items itself. For example, bricks may be strapped together. जो ईंटें हैं उनको इकट्ठा एक लोड बना दिया गया. Leaving a number of slots within the lower layer for such attachments to fit in. So multi-forks would be used when you have to load something. A unit load would be comprising only of the product itself or SKU itself. तो उसके लिए multi-forks को use किया जाता है. Multi-forks would be able to lift it. Then there are drum tines. Drum tines, these are horizontal bars that are used for lifting a number of horizontally oriented drums at once. तो drums हैं जो कि horizontal position में मौजूद हैं, उनको bar की मदद से pick किया जाता है. Horizontal bars. These are known as drum tines. Then we have booms. These are various booms attachment available for placing along the center of items such as carpets and horizontal reels. Reels वगैरह के लिए और carpets के लिए वेरियस अटैचमेंट्स हैं बूम की फॉर जो कि सेंटर में प्लेस की जाती हैं ताकि आप उस कारपेट को रैक से मूव करवा सकें. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. You can see there is a boom that would be actually taking out that carpet from the rack. So there must be some attachment with this. So it can be moved outward. So students, these were some of the important truck attachments. Thank you.